Hi, my name is Sonya Julu. I will tell you a sweet memories of the past. I'm not the kind of person to have a lot of talk about the past, but that doesn't mean that I don't have some sweet memories of the past. My favorite memories from the past are from childhood because I didn't have to think about homework and I could just play with my friends. I remember is when my mom used to make me lunch, although that is very rare now. Another memory is when I was picked up from school. I used to tell her a lot about I had learned. I'm very grateful to have been born in my mother womb. I have memories of my little brother as a baby. He is very adorable. I love him very much, even though we had had many fight over toys since we were children. But after the fights, we have to make up and play again. And so the cycles continues. Sweet and bitter memories that are hard to forget. Thank you.